Welcome to the beautiful yellow light kingdom. We are finally here, and it is glowing. Wow! I told you it would be magical, Tinku. The yellow crystal is losing its power. Oh no! Where is all the light going? Gray shadow has hidden the yellow crystal inside the golden tower. Don't worry, I promise I will help you find it.
Scanning entrance, access granted.
Wow, it really is a magical kingdom.
You will never reach the yellow crystal.
Ah! Wow, is that a puzzle? Which one first? Scan complete. Press that star. You got it! Thank you for saving our kingdom. We are just happy we could help.
Always happy to help.
We did it, friends! The planet is colorful again! It is beautiful.